This week we got a quick one. We got my daughter's dress has this tear through it. So we're gonna repair this. I don't quite know how to repair it because it's super stretchy. But I got an old t-shirt and that's what we're gonna go with. So let's give it a shot. The first thing is I'm gonna make a patch. I'm measuring the size of the hole so I know what size the patch I need to make. I think I'm gonna go 5 by 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is finish each one of these edges so that it doesn't fray. Just like that. I'm going to keep this one finished edge because that makes it easier on me. Alright, so what I'm going to do is Alright, so that's what the patch is I'm going with. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to do is when I stitch this, I'm going to use a zigzag stitch. I think that's what you need to use for things that are stretchy and the thread is not stretchy. So I'm going to get started with that and see how far we get. Here's our patch, back. Here's the dress. It's super cute. And there's that patch. You know, you can see it a little bit, but it'll basically last until she grows out of it, which I'm sure will be a couple of months. Alright, so that's it. Just a quick one this week. Quick little repair. Tiny little dress. There's the hole, and yeah, all fixed, ready to use. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next week.